Okay, we're going to talk about how to change your container colors within a scene. So first, what we need to open up a scene, and here I'm going to demonstrate with the scene that has a lot of containers in it, or somewhat a lot. So as you can see, when we come into our scene tree, we click the little plus button to open the tree. It reveals all of our containers down here. Now on the side we have colors, so we click this little color thing and we have 4 colors active. At any time we can change our color boxes. So if we had a scene organized like this, we could change each top group to a different color, which will help us visually identify or visually organize our scene tree. It's very helpful when you have a lot of containers within it. But eventually you might run out of colors and you only have 4, as we do in this case. And you might have repeating colors, so you need to add colors or change colors or whatever. And to do that, you need to go into the Vizrt config. And on the left hand side here, there are many settings, but we're going to go into the user interface. And within the user interface, there is a various tab, there are tree colors tab, and there is a shortcuts tab. Obviously, we're going to be in the tree colors. So the way that this works is we have a color number 1. If we have a hex code, you could type that in, or you could come over to our color picker here and choose the color you want. I want, let's say, just this color right here. We're going to hit OK. And the reason that we only had 4 colors is because we have active colors up here, and it's set to 4. So we're going to increase that number to at least 6 or 7, maybe 8. All right, and then we can come down and choose different colors here. I don't like that gray. Maybe I want a deeper red. So I could either, again, type in our hex. We have our sliders here that we could readjust and make subtle changes to it. We could hit OK. And now you can see I have several different colors within my color chooser here. We have 8 colors active, and it shows us 8 active colors. The rest of the colors are grayed out. And we could sit here all day and choose the rest of pretty colors, but I'm going to go ahead and save this. So anytime you make a change within Vizrt configuration, you must save it, and then the next time you restart Vizrt, those changes will take effect. So here you can see changes will take effect after restarting Vizrt. We're going to hit OK. Now if you need to get out of the Vizrt config, you can just come over to your workspace default and select a different window. We're going to go ahead and restart our Vizrt so that we can see the changes take place within our colors here. Okay, we restarted our machine. We're going to open up that same scene again, and now we're going to go into our colors over here. You can see that it already made some changes because we changed our colors. Now I'm going to click on my color wheel and see we get all new colors here. We got a bright pink for color number 1, an ugly gray for color 2, and then a same pink for color 3. So we made the changes, and again, if we needed to go back into our Vizrt config, into the color picker, and change our colors again to something completely different if need be, we could. So that's a quick overview of how to use the color pickers within your scene tree.